great thing about this program is that it really addresses two big issues that we have in Tulsa. One is we have a significant panhandler population here. And we've tried over the years punitive approaches, regulatory approaches, and none of those work at the end of the day. And it helps us, you pick folks up, you give them the dignity of work for a day, but then you also connect them with social service agencies over the course of that day, which can help them get back on their feet and resolve the issue permanently. The other thing that it does for us, and it's a win-win, is it helps us beautify the city more. This is a way to keep our public spaces looking great.
One day the mayor said, was at a street light and stopped and asked a person panhandling and said, "Hey, my man, if I gave you a job for the day and paid you cash, would you work?" And the guy said, "Absolutely." Mayor came back to the office, said, "I got a good idea, let's get together, figure it out." Started out with 2 days a week, just going around and asking people if they want to work. And what the driver does is in the mornings he calls a division of our solid waste program called Clean Cities and see where they're needed, under bridges, under the freeway, trails, bike trails, right-of-way areas, parks. And on the way there, he picks up people who go to work. We have seen probably in the last year and a half of some of these people that worked in our program, at least 20, 25 people who've got permanent jobs. We've been able to put about double that number to permanent housing. We've been able to get over 200 people into substance and mental health programs as well. It's not just about getting people to work during the day, although that's a great component, and the dignity of work, as our mayor Barry constantly says, but it's also mainly about getting people the services.
One of the great things about this is that it's a positive approach with compassion that I think more closely reflects the spirit of our city here in Tulsa.